Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, April 10th, 2025, we're diving deep into Litecoin, ticker symbol CUSD. We're going to look at both recent news and its chart data. We'll analyze trends, key price levels, and try to give you an unbiased view of where Litecoin might be headed. Let's start with the news. Recent news indicates growing excitement around Litecoin ETFs, with increased transaction volumes and analyst optimism. However, some reports suggest a potential price crash despite rising whale activity, so it's a mixed bag. The ETFs are getting a lot of attention from firms such as Hashdex and Canary Capital. Also, Litecoin was number 1 for the 22nd straight month on at BitPay for total transactions in March. Now let's look at what the charts are saying. Alright, let's switch over to the daily chart. We're looking at a substantial period of time here, going back almost a year and a half. Notice the large swings in price action. Litecoin has had several runs up to the $100 range. We are seeing a steep decline for the last few days, which could be related to speculation that the ETF approval isn't likely or that Litecoin is losing interest due to other cryptocurrencies. Let's zoom in on a more recent period. Now we'll narrow our focus to the last few months, starting around December 2024. We see a rise, followed by the drop we mentioned earlier, with another attempt to rise and then recent declines to what seems to be new lows. A key level to watch in the short term is the $70 to $75 range. A break below this level could signal further downside. Now let's go to the 1-hour chart. This time frame provides a closer look at more recent price action. Zooming into the last couple of weeks, we can see more clearly the choppy nature of the price movement. The chart shows increased volatility with rapid ups and downs. There looks to be some support around the $76 level. Finally, let's look at the 15-minute chart for a micro view of today's trading. It's clear there is a lot of volatility, and it's hard to find a clear trend. We'll pull back and look at the entire data available on this chart. Looking at the data, there's some support around $70, but the overall trend seems bearish right now. Given the news and the recent chart data, in the short term, a break below the $70 support could lead to a test of the mid-$60s. However, the ETF news could inject some bullish upside, making a move back to $80 a possibility. Long-term, many analysts predict Litecoin will recover in the coming years, with some expecting it to reach $110 by late 2025, and some others have even more bullish projections. Keep an eye on news regarding ETF approvals and overall cryptocurrency market sentiment, but for now, exercise caution.